For truly, my words are not false. One who is perfect in knowledge is with you. Job chapter 36, verses 4. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Love You Starch Food channel. Thank you so very much, family, for coming back. So, Etor is on the menu today. It is one of Ghanaians' popular traditional celebratory meals. This fits for kings and queens. And so, if you have names like Nana or Hima and the like, this is what you should be eating. And if you have a sentiment at home, listen, especially those who lived with their grandmothers, this is always a win-win for you. All right, and if you're wondering what Etor means, it's simply spiced mashed yam or plantains or even coco yam. And today we are going to make the yam version. It is absolutely delicious, under 20 minutes. And so do not waste time at all. Stay tuned, stay glued, and let's get started. This requires very few ingredients. Here we have our yam, some onions, both red and white onions, pepper, some salted cured fish, which is the momone. We also have some roasted peanuts, some eggs, avocados, a bit of anchovies. I also have some salted cured tilapia, which is Kobe, very optional, palm oil, and of course some salt to taste. So to begin with, I like to peel off my yam, cut them into cubes or tiny pieces, and then give it a proper wash, like 2 to 3 times. Now the yams are looking fresh and clean. We're going to transfer them into our pot, and to that we're going to add our eggs, pepper, and our salted cured tilapia as well. And I will season it with a bit of salt before I added tilapia. You know, it's a bit salty, okay, so you have to be careful about that. Add in some water and allow it to boil or cook for 10 minutes, okay? So once that is on full course, I will then start off by grinding all my other ingredients. I begin with my onions. It is very tough to grind these, but you have to be chopping it into smaller pieces so that the grinding process becomes easier. And also go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt. It also helps with the grinding process as well. Once you're done grinding all the onions, you then go ahead and introduce the rest of the ingredients. I always begin with the anchovies or any fish that you like to infuse it. Here will be fine, okay? If you have mackerel, it works perfect as well. All right, grind the anchovies and then go back to your boiling or steaming yam. Take off the peppers. They are fine now. It's been like 2 minutes since they were boiling, so they should be fine. Add the peppers here, okay? Grind it very well, and then add the roasted peanuts. If the peanut is going to give you a hard time grinding, and also use peanut butter. It makes everything easy, okay? In the process of grinding, please do not forget to start off by warming up your palm oil and infuse it with our cured salted fish, which is the momoni. Fry that for about a minute and add it back to all your grinded ingredients, and this is going to give it that authentic aroma that you need. Okay, so if you have at home, please do not omit this. Okay, the grinding process is going on. You will notice it is thick. Please do not add water, but instead add few of the palm oil to loosen it up. All right, it's also give it that beautiful color. So after about 10 minutes of boiling our yam, it is ready now. Strain the excess water and take off the eggs and the cured tilapia, and while this yam is still hot, best time for you to start mashing it up. You can decide to mash it in the bowl like this, but I prefer to mash it together with all my grinded ingredients. Everything needs to incorporate very well. Okay, and in the course of mashing it, you feel it is a bit tough, and then it's the time for you to be adding few drop of your palm oil on the go. Okay, it is so easy. So we're going to add our last palm oil infusion. Make sure everything is well mashed together and incorporated very well. Listen, this is so easy. I think you need to try it if you've not done it. I know a lot of people really love the plantain version, but the yam version also slaps so well. Especially if you have that sweet yam, it's so good. So now it's time for us to garnish it. Add our eggs and our tilapia fish, and also bless it with a bit more of the roasted peanuts, some onions, and our avocados, and of course a bit of glossiness on top will never hurt anyone. Okay, it is so delicious. So all that we have now here is our enjoyment time. Wash your hands nicely and just take in, fam. It is so delicious. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. I really hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Before I wrap up today, I'd like to show you how I'm able to keep my earthenware of about 8 years always fresh and clean. So did you know that you do not use your dishwashing soap in washing your earthen bowls like this? Yes, you don't have to use it. First off, after using it, when it gets stuck in like this, all that you have to do is rinse it off first with water. After rinsing the first layer off, get your stainless silver sponge or scrubber and just scrub it like this to get rid of all the food remains. Okay, so once you're done and you see that everything is completely turned out, while scrubbing, please pay attention to the earthenware. They have their own pathing, so you need to follow that pathing to be able to get rid of all the food remains very easily. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and grab some bicarbonate soda or some baking soda. It really doesn't matter. Just add a little bit on at the bottom like this. Add a bit of lukewarm water, allow it to rest for the next 2 minutes or so, and then come back and grab your foamy sponge and then rinse everything off. Ta-da! There you have it. It is really easy. Please do not use soap, as it is so easy for it to absorb any liquid that gets in. And you know, we are grinding in here, we are eating, we do not want to end up eating and having soap in our food. Okay, so wash it gently and just go ahead and clean it. And this is one thing that also help it stay much longer. You need to then put it on your stove, in your oven. If you are in Ghana, you need to have your coal pot and just place it on top. Allow it to sit for the next about an hour. This helps it get stronger, and you will have a very good earthenware bowl for the rest of your life if you want. It is so useful and very peaceful if you do not add trouble to it. All right, I hope you will be practicing the very best way to keep your earthen bowl very clean and fresh all the time. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. I cannot thank you enough. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.